Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your account, 2FA, and network route so authentication succeeds. Once verified, open a supported browser and navigate to the Kiger dashboard URL or portal link provided by IT. Enter credentials and complete the 2FA prompt. This prevents session rejection. If you see a blank page, make sure extensions are disabled and cookies are allowed, because Kiger relies on local storage and secure cookies for session state. After login, the dashboard loads multiple modules. You should monitor progress and let initial API calls finish, since widgets render in sequence. Once done, check WebSocket or SSE connectivity for live metrics. The dashboard uses persistent channels to push updates. If some panels stay empty, refresh the specific module or clear that module's cache and retry. Make sure pop-ups and downloads are permitted so exports start. Otherwise, export buttons will appear unresponsive, even though data. You finish by arranging widgets and saving the layout so your view persists across sessions. This prevents repeated reconfiguration. Then set an appropriate refresh interval. Short intervals give near real-time data but increase load, while longer intervals conserve resources. If the dashboard still won't open, inspect browser console and network logs, note error codes, and retry with a private window to rule out profile issues. If problems persist, provide logs to support to expedite root cause analysis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.